Why does the US tax year run from January to December? Imagine starting a new chapter every year on the same date, with everything aligned perfectly. That's exactly what the US tax year does. It runs from January 1st to December 31st, and there are good reasons for that. The main reason is that it matches the calendar year most people already use to organize their lives. People naturally think of the year starting in January and ending in December. This makes it easier for families, workers, and business owners to keep track of their income and expenses. When the tax year lines up with the calendar year, it simplifies record keeping. You can look at your bank statements, paychecks, and bills all within the same time frame. Most small businesses and self-employed people are required to use this calendar year unless they get special permission to choose a different one. The IRS prefers this because it creates consistency across the country. When everyone reports their taxes based on the same period, it makes processing returns and checking compliance much smoother. The deadline for filing taxes is April 15th of the following year. This gives families and individuals about 3.5 months after the year ends to gather all their documents, calculate their taxes, and submit their returns. For families with side jobs, rental income, or small businesses, this window helps them stay organized and avoid last-minute stress. Some larger companies, like C corporations, have the option to choose a different fiscal year. A fiscal year can end on any month's last day, not just December. For example, a retailer might end their fiscal year in February after their busy holiday season. This helps them match their financial reports to their actual business cycle. The reason the IRS prefers most taxpayers to follow the January to December schedule is practical. It helps the government predict when people will file, process returns faster, and keep the tax system running smoothly. For Latino families and everyone else, understanding this system means knowing when to prepare and file taxes, and how to organize your financial records. When you know the tax year runs from January to December, it becomes easier to plan ahead and stay compliant with IRS rules.